everyone, welcome back to Tech and How to Channel. Today, I will help you fix one of the most frustrating problems on YouTube when you can't upload custom thumbnails even after verifying your account. Don't worry, I'll walk you through step by step so you can solve it quickly. First, let's understand why this happens. Even after verification, YouTube sometimes blocks custom thumbnail uploads because of 1. Account standing. Your channel must be in good standing with no strikes. 2. Browser or cache issues. Sometimes it's just a technical glitch. 3. File requirements. YouTube only accepts thumbnails up to 2 megabytes in formats like JPG, PNG, or GIF. 4. Feature availability. Thumbnails are only unlocked if you verified your phone number and your account has no restrictions. Check account status. Go to YouTube Studio. Select Settings. Select Channel, and select Feature Eligibility. Make sure intermediate features are enabled. This includes custom thumbnails. Verify again if needed. If thumbnails still don't work, go to youtube.com/verify. Reconfirm your phone number. Or you can type Verify YouTube account in the Google search bar and select the first option. Check file size and format. Keep your thumbnail under 2 megabytes. Use JPG or PNG for best results. Recommended resolution, 1280 by 720 pixels. Clear cache or switch browser. Clear your browser cache. Or try uploading with another browser, Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Check policy restrictions. If you've had strikes or community guideline issues, thumbnails may be disabled temporarily. In this case, wait until the restriction is lifted. Mobile app fix. If it doesn't work on PC, try uploading from the YouTube Studio app on mobile. Pro tip: if you often face thumbnail errors, use YouTube's recommended size and compress your image with a free tool like Tiny PNG before uploading. This prevents errors and makes uploads faster. And that's it. Your custom thumbnails should now work. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if these fixes work for you. Thanks for watching.